So here in this test I am going to use a Ubuntu operating system, and I'll be installing Spark Kafka Zookeeper on it, and we will see how much memory it takes. For installation guide, I have written this article and I'll be sharing it in the description below. So let's get started. Going to my sandbox, which is actually Ubuntu, and on Ubuntu I have installed Spark. You can see this Spark shell I have initiated, and this is up and ready. Then we'll just quickly test if it works. Yes, A. I wrote with us. I have defined var A with B value, so it is printing B. So Scala Spark shell is up. Then here I have started my Zookeeper first on the top. So you can see here the Zookeeper started. Welcome to Zookeeper. So Zookeeper started and one node on Zookeeper is running. Then I have started my Kafka server here, and in here I have started Kafka console consumer and Kafka producer. So let's test if it works. How are you? And it should come to console. Yes, it came here. So we can see our Zookeeper is up, our Kafka is up, our Spark is up, and the basic OS it is taking. Now let's see. I already tested. Let's test again. The free memory human readable form is 340 MB now, and I total gave 2.8 GB. So in total 2.5 GB is consumed for all these operations. Nothing more, nothing less. We are not using any other thing. And this JPS shows that we have our Kafka running, Kafka consumer, Kafka producer. Then this is my Zookeeper, and this is my Spark shell, which is being shown as Spark Summit here. On top of it, yes, this is just processing. On top of it, data will be consumed, and that data will take space. But if you are using this only for your test purposes or at home learning, then 3 GB space should be enough for you to test your normal data and for your enhancement in your knowledge. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.